What does failure mean to me? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. What does failure mean to me? In fact, failure to me means that it is actually a result, a final result. I care more about the result. Whether the failure is big or small, and whether the success is big or small. So failure always mean the final result to me, and successes are the same actually. What do you think? One side can be failure and the other side can be success. And the result of each is the same. Yeah, it's the same final result. A result that is valuable. I never like to stay in the middle of the road. I mean to be an ordinary person without any movement. I don't like that. Do you like to be an average? Average means neither the failure side nor the success side. I don't like to be in the middle. I don't like to be average because it's not interesting at all. It's not interesting. Nothing should go in your head and stay there. An average person? No. Don't be worried at all. Failure and success are seasonal. Just move. Don't get stuck. You have to take responsibility for your future, your life, for yourself. And just move. There is failure and success. Yeah. You have to see the result and take action. Move. Don't stay. Don't stop. Don't give up. Just move. Just move. Okay? Dear unique, always remember there is only one you. You cannot take someone else's place. Also, no one can take your place. Okay? Be proud. Yeah. Love you. Bye.